Now that we've got our content for our wireframe mockup of our desktop, we need to translate the design of all this content to a tablet and a mobile version. In order to do this, we need to copy over all of the things and appropriately resize and restructure it so that it fits well for that content. You'll need to be able to add scrollability to this so that you can scroll down and see everything, but the navigation bar needs to be stuck up at the top. In some cases, you may have to completely take out something totally and indicate that there may be another menu. That's what I did for the phone. If you need to, have a look at some other websites and how they solve this problem. Again, I went to Anytime Fitness. You can see they've basically got the same type of layout. They've got a navigation bar at the top, but as they change the size of it, they start to change the content of it. And even now, as it gets smaller, you can see how they've treated the logo, the call to action, and also their little menu button. Now, later on, we'll also talk about how to add this kind of interactivity. For now, we can just remove all those links, and you can see how that's there. So I give you that type of flexibility. But all the content needs to be indicated somewhere on your design for your 3 different layouts. When you're finished, save a local copy of this. So we'll go up to File and do Save a Local Copy. Again, this will make it a Figma file, and you can save it somewhere onto your computer, and that Figma file is what you're going to turn in for this week's project.